In today's video, we're exploring the top 3 best smart door locks you can buy in 2026. From advanced fingerprint security to keyless entry and mobile app control, these smart locks are designed to make your home safer and smarter than ever. If you want better security, modern technology, and peace of mind, this video is for you. Number 3. The Raycube DQ06 Smart Lock is a modern keyless entry system designed for sliding doors, glass doors, wooden doors, and apartment entrances. It supports multiple unlocking methods and is built for outdoor durability with IP65 waterproof protection. Key features: multiple unlock methods, supports fingerprint, mobile app, TT-Lock/Bluetooth, password/PIN code, IC card, mechanical key emergency, TT-Lock app control Bluetooth, manage access, add users, and view unlock history via smartphone. IP65 waterproof rating. Designed for outdoor use, resistant to rain, dust, and weather exposure. Slim sliding door design. Narrow body structure suitable for aluminum frame and sliding doors. Fingerprint security system. Fast semiconductor fingerprint recognition for quick unlocking. Number 2. X5 Wi-Fi Electronic Smart Door Lock is a multi-unlock smart security lock that uses the TT-Lock app and supports fingerprint, password, RFID card, mobile app, and mechanical key access. It is designed for home doors, apartments, and small offices, offering keyless entry and remote management through Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connectivity. Mobile phone key features. Convenient key management. Manage keys and access remotely through the TT-Lock app, offering better security and control. Smart home integration. Control your door lock remotely through the TT-Lock app, compatible with Google Assistant. IP66 protection level. Enjoy peace of mind with a lock that boasts an IP66 protection level against dust and water. TT-Lock X5 5-in-1 unlock methods. Access your home with ease using Bluetooth, fingerprint, M1 card, passcode, or key. Extended battery life. Experience up to 10,000 normal openings with a 12-month battery life, reducing frequent replacements. Number 1. This ultra-slim 2.8 cm waterproof sliding door smart lock, designed for modern homes, apartments, offices, and smart living spaces. Built with advanced biometric technology and multiple unlocking methods, it offers maximum convenience and top-level protection. This smart lock is fully compatible with the TT-Lock app and works with Alexa voice control, giving you smart access management anytime, anywhere. Sparkle's key features. Heavy checkmark ultra-slim 2.8 cm design, perfect for sliding doors. Heavy checkmark waterproof build, durable for indoor and outdoor use. Heavy checkmark fingerprint unlock, fast and secure biometric access. Heavy checkmark password/PIN code, easy access sharing. Heavy checkmark IC card entry, simple tap to unlock. Heavy checkmark mechanical key backup, emergency access option. Heavy checkmark TT-Lock app control, remote management via smartphone. Heavy checkmark Bluetooth connectivity, stable and fast response. Heavy checkmark Alexa voice control support, smart home integration.